Hello guys, welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. We are at vocabulary development section and our target vocabulary is HSK level 1. We are at day 12. Links to all the previous lectures are given in the description of this video. You can go directly there. So let's give a quick review on what we have studied up till now. Day 1. 我、我们、你、你们、他、他们、这、那。Day 2. 家、爸爸、妈妈、哥哥、弟弟、姐姐、妹妹、男朋友、女朋友。Day 3. 儿子、女儿、漂亮、老公、老婆、老板、老师、认识。Day 4. 先生、小姐、医生、医院、学生、学校、学习、同学、人。Day 5. 大、小、小狗、小猫，很好，不太好，有，没有，爱。Day 6. 开，来，去，读，看，听，说，吃饭，睡觉。Day 7. 书、电影、电视、电脑、电话、杯子、桌子、椅子、东西。Day 8. 商店、饭店、书店、水果店、出租车、打电话、名字、钱、衣服。Day 9. 水果、苹果、米饭、菜、茶、喜欢、多、少。Day 10. 天气，热、冷、下雨、上午、中午、下午、分钟、时候。Day 11. 天，今天、明天、昨天、现在、年、月、号、星期。And now we are at today's work. Let's see our first vocabulary word, which is 写means to write. It's a verb to write something. For example, I want to say write your name. 写你的名字，写你的名字。Number 2. 字。This 字 is actually come from Hanzi. That means Chinese characters. The Chinese writing, the specific way how the Chinese language is written. They are written the alphabets. The Chinese alphabets are called 字。Number 3. 工作means to work, to be on a job. Number 4. 住在住means living. 在 is a preposition. 住在 living at. 住在 living at. Number 5. 前面前面前面前面 means front side, in front of. Number 6, 后面后面后面 means behind, backside. Number 7, 上面上面上 means up and 面 means side. 上 means that means 上面 on the top, on the upside. Number 8, 下面下 means down. 下面 that means downside, below. Finally, number 9 is 里面里面里面 means inside. So we have some sides today's vocabulary. For example, 前面 front side, 后面 back side, 上面 upside, 下面 downside, and 里面 inside. I hope you guys like today's lecture.
第12天的生词：写、
写、
写、
字、
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 工作、
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 住在、
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 前面、
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 后面、
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 上面、
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 下面、
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 里面。
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 Like and share this video with others as well. Learn some more vocabulary on day 13. Till then, 再见, bye bye.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.